Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a dumbbell lateral raise. To start off, you're going to stand up with your feet at hips width apart with a slight bend in your knee. You're going to pull your shoulder blades back with 2 dumbbells in your hand. Your fingers on both of your hands can be touching your leg at this point. So now from here, you're going to lift both of your wrists up all the way to your shoulders, soft bend in your elbow. Don't forget to be controlled coming down. You don't want to come down super fast. And that is a dumbbell lateral raise.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!